mistake? Please raise your hand. Okay. Those who has not raised their hand, जिसने हाथ नहीं उठाया, उनके लिए एक स्टोरी बता देता हूँ मैं। एक छोटा बच्चा एक दिन एग्जाम लेके आया और बोले कि पापा पापा आज मैंने कोई मिस्टेक नहीं किए है। तो पापा बहुत खुश हो गए, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेल डन वेल डन। तो कितने क्वेश्चन आपने बनाए, कितना आंसर लिखे थे? तो बेटे ने बोला कि एक भी आंसर नहीं लिखे, ब्लैंक पेपर देके आया था, तो इसलिए कोई मिस्टेक हुआ ही नहीं। तो इसका moral of the story is that if we are doing something in life, the mistake will happen, and if you are not doing anything, that itself a mistake, you know, because this world, this jagat is a karma bhumi. We have to do something. तो जब कुछ करेंगे हम लोग, छोटा मोटा गलती तो हो ही जाता है, मिस्टेक हो ही जाता है। So first of all, mistake होता क्यों है? Why mistake happens? Because we have imperfect senses. The knowledge acquiring senses that we have. कितने knowledge acquiring senses है हमारे? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. You know this universe is infinite dimensional, but we are very tiny little three-dimensional object. हमारा जो आँखें है, it can perceive only three-dimensional object, and we ourselves is three-dimensional actually. But this universe is a infinite dimensional existence. So mistake तो हो ही जाएगा, because our senses are limited. एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि 5 अंधे लोग, blind person, they went to perceive an elephant. एक हाथी मतलब perceive करने गए। So after coming back, one of the blind person says कि the elephant means a big pillar. The other person said, no, elephant is not a big pillar. Elephant means it is a big wall. You know why it happened? Because the person who is saying the elephant is a big pillar, he had just touched the leg of the elephant because he has no eyes. He is a blind person. And the other person, he had touched the stomach of the elephant. He thought that the elephant may be a big wall. And the third person says, both of you are wrong. Elephant means a big pipe, hollow pipe, because he had touched the trunk of the elephant. So in this way, the perception of all the blind people who has touched the elephant was different. But even with the eyes that we can see, we also cannot perceive things properly every time. Because it may happen that somewhere the smoke is coming and there is a wall. Our eyes cannot penetrate through the wall to see the cause of the fire. We have only seen the smoke. So we can see that somewhere there is something is getting burned, but we cannot exactly say actually what is getting burned because our eyes cannot penetrate through the wall. We have limitations. Okay. So the first thing I have said, why do you make mistake? Because our senses are imperfect. They are limited. We have limitation. Second thing is, suppose the mistake happens, गलती हो गई. What should be our attitude? हमें कैसे देखना चाहिए इसको? अभी हाल ही में I was invigilating in one of the classes, and one of the student of class 9th, he had written the Thursday spelling wrongly, and I asked him, is it the spelling of Thursday? His response was, sir, कोई बात नहीं. So what was his attitude? His attitude was just ignore करो, मेरे मिस्टेक को इग्नोर करो, just keep my image protected, कि लोगों के सामने मेरा बेइज्जती ना हो. सर कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे बोल दिए. So this is not a desirable attitude. अगर हम मिस्टेक करते हैं, we should own the responsibility of the mistake. कि yes, ये मिस्टेक हो गई, but we should work on it to overcome it. Because there is two ways. Sometimes लोग मिस्टेक करके they go for depression, they become crestfallen कि वो मिस्टेक हो गया. Other thing is, I will work on it, improve on it, and I will make sure that this particular mistake will not take place in future. So how to work on our mistake? There are 4 R. First R is recognizing. Yes, I have committed this mistake. लोग पॉपुलरली बोलते हैं कि भाई मिस्टेक ये हो गया, ये टालने वाली बात होती है. जो करेजियस बंदा है वो बोलेंगे कि yes, I have committed the mistake, so he has recognized it. Then regret it. And regret means not going to depression. Regret means you identify the cause what has made the mistake to happen. Either you are careless, or you had lack of knowledge, or there is somebody involved whom you did not monitor properly, but mistake has happened, so regret it, then rectify it. So in the practical cases that I said right now, the story of the boy, he should have written the Thursday 20 times कि अगले बार मैं Thursday spelling गलत नहीं करूँगा. So he should write it 20 times, 30 times. So this is a process of rectification. And finally reinstatement. कि आपके अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा कि ये मिस्टेक अभी जिंदगी में मैं दोहराऊंगा नहीं. तो ऐसे अगर अप्रोच लेंगे तो विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम द शॉर्टकमिंग्स दैट वी हैव. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट थिंग आई सेड, वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट आवर लिमिटेशंस, आवर टाइनी पोजीशन इन कंपेयर टू दिस यूनिवर्स. You are not very great person, you are very tiny, we have limitations. Second thing is, if we make mistake, accept it, work on it, and then try to rectify it. Then what would happen? We will be able to improve ourselves, because life is, it is daily improvement. Then you will feel enthusiastic to live the life. It is a lifelong project. It is not only for students or not only for the college going, it is for all of us. Till the death, we should improve ourselves day by day. Because when the test of time comes, what works is your internal qualities. आपका credentials, आपका bank balance, आपका Facebook friends, Instagram followers, they will not help you. When the test of time comes, you have to stand by your own qualities, internal qualities. And qualities develop, more you try to improve yourself. So this is what I wanted to share. Actually, speaking is always speaking to your own mind. So in the process of sharing yourself, I have spoken to my own mind. Hope it helps. Thank you and have a nice day.